Hockey Basic 101 with you today, and we're gonna be doing an awesome sauce. Hey, my friend's behind the camera right now. I don't have like 4 arms down here, but I'm just my friend's recording me.
Yeah,
that's good. Ready? Hey guys, it's called the long range shot. Let's do this. Yeah! Alright guys, I hope you guys like that trick shot. We're gonna do a second one. Let's do this. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. My friend was recording. He records every Thursday, so thank you, and I appreciate that. So comment below, subscribe, and hit that like button. I'm editing right now, so yeah, it's really this video's gonna be really cool. It's not gonna be that long, but comment below what trick you want me to do. So comment below, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.